is going on today, YouTube? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to the channel. Another driveway video. Today we're going to be talking about Crown Rally. So for those of you that are not familiar with Crown Rally, check this out.
Why do we rally? It's something you need to live, to understand. It's more than the pursuit of the perfect adventure. It's more than the thirst to experience pure adrenaline. It's more than the memories and the lifelong friends that go with it. It's more than the calling to raise money for a cause that might one day impact millions of lives. A rally is so much more than the sum of its parts. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all.
This year I am doing Crown Rally for the second time. I did it last year, did the Chicago to Nashville route last year. This year doing Chicago to Knoxville, and then also doing the Tail of the Dragon. The event's coming up in 3 days, and just want to show you a quick, last year I did the event in my Dodge Demon, and actually the Demon held up pretty good. It's not not as sporty as some of the other cars that were in the rally, but certainly made up for it in horsepower. And this year though, we are running the 600 LT McLaren, and just got it back the other day from getting the wrap on, so I want to give you a quick tour, show you what the wrap looks like. So here is the wrap. Originally we're considering going with kind of a golf theme wrap, and it ended up somebody else took that wrap idea. Not very original, I know, so I changed it and went with more of probably a more appropriate wrap. Went with a Windy City Exotics wrap with Chicago elements all throughout the wrap. So you can see here the Chicago city skyline and all the various sponsor logos on there, as well as Crown Rally. Windy City Exotics here on the bottom in our colors. And those colors, just for those of you that didn't know or couldn't tell already, those are actually the colors of the Chicago flag, which is the same as the design that we have on the roof. So this blue is actually the Chicago flag blue with white and then the stars. This is the blue that's the actual color of the car. So you can see there's a slight difference in those two, but all in all it complements it and looks pretty good. And then on the front we have the Crown Rally banner on the windshield and rocking the WCE on the hood. Other side, similar sponsor graphics on the front. Mo Graphics are the ones that are doing that do the vinyl wraps. Black Star Distribution, go check them out. I'll put some links in the description here so you can check them out as well. Number 4 is our car number for the event, and not a whole lot on the back, mostly because there's just diffuser and exhaust, so there's not a whole lot of room to put a bunch of stickers on the back. But all in all, very happy with it. We'll be running this event this Friday, coming up May 31st. So if you happen to be anywhere between Chicago and Knoxville and want to see these cars, there's about 105 cars, give or take. It's an awesome turnout. We're going to be launching Friday morning near, where is it? Near Buckingham Fountain. I think it's on Jackson Boulevard. I'll put the details and the information in the description. Friday, we're going to be running down to Rantoul, Illinois, so about mid-state Illinois, to Rantoul Airport, where we're going to be doing half-mile rolling races. So if you want to check out, you'll be able to see. I'll be making lots of video and streaming that on the Instagram channel, but running the McLaren against several other cars. I have a group of guys that are in my group that have things like an Audi R8 V10 Plus, you've probably seen on my Instagram channel, a Ferrari 458, a Ferrari F12, and then a couple Porsches and a few other cars as well are in our group that we'll be traveling with, but everybody kind of commingles and as we kind of work our way through the event. So Rantoul Airport is the first event. Then we head over to Indianapolis, where we'll be parked around Indianapolis, the Monument Circle. If you've ever been to Indianapolis, you've probably noticed there's a monument I forget exactly what it's commemorating, but there's a monument with a circle around it. And for the second year, we're actually getting the monument area shut down, and all the cars will be parked around the circle. So if you are in town in Indianapolis, come check that out because it's really awesome to see. And we've got festivities in Indianapolis on Friday night, and then Saturday we roll out on our way to Knoxville with a lunch about halfway. Beautiful country roads between Indianapolis and Knoxville before finally settling in Knoxville for some festivities in Knoxville. And then we wake up Sunday morning and go do the Tail of the Dragon. And really looking forward to the event. If you again come out, please stop by, say hello, and look forward to seeing you. And again, I'll be shooting pictures and video. If you don't already follow us on Instagram, go follow us on Instagram. We'll be doing some live streaming from there throughout the day, as well as posting pictures of the event. And then I'll produce a video when we get done with the event. So that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider subscribing. Smash the like button, give us a comment, hit the bell for future notifications, and look forward to sharing this experience with you. It should be really awesome. If you want more details on Crown, comment below. I'll put the link in the description for Crown Rally. Go check them out. Awesome event. They have another event coming up in, I believe, August. That's going to go from Minnesota to Chicago. I'm still debating whether or not I will do that event, but a good chance that I will, as well as a few other rallies that I hope to do this year. So should be a great time, and hope to see you out there. See you in the next video. Take care.